Hi, everyone. So let us continue this particular topic, which is how exactly we can delete a value from the text field. For this, what exactly we need to do means the same text field. Consider that we have this name Surendra Jagannathan. I want to select everything here, and from there, I want to perform a delete operation here. Okay, I want to select everything from here and then I want to perform a delete operation. See, basically, if you do a long press operation in this particular text field, these two operations are populating. Out of which, so first of all, you need to write down a program that will perform a press operation in this particular text field. After that, do the select all and then directly use a delete command that will delete the complete chunk here. So what I want to do right now is let me come back here to my code base. Okay, I'm copying this particular function and let me create a new function with the name as 100 in which I don't want this character by character logic. I'm just deleting this whole thing. Okay, I'm just deleting this whole thing. After entering a value to this particular text field, on the same text field, I want to press for a particular duration. So here, this is what my text field locator is, in which press for about 1.2 seconds. I'm just specifying that particular thing. Okay, so what I'm doing right now means the best way for us in order to write down the code is with the debugging mode itself. Okay, so what I'm doing right now means let me run this program once, okay, in the debug mode, so that we'll see these commands, what exactly the actions they are performing on a real device in a debugging mode. Let's go in that particular way. Okay, so let it launch the app. Okay, the demo user is done. Now, once the debugging mode got enabled, let us use this command in the debugging mode. PO, the print object, where in which I just want to deal with it. Okay, let me delete this. PO, the print object and the press off of 1.2 seconds. So here it should be PO followed by this operation, and whenever you hit an enter button, see on the app, basically the select all and the select options got populated, out of which this select and a select all, we call it as a menu items. So out of these menu items, I want to select a select all. So here PO app dot menu items. Out of these menu items, I want to go with select all, and in which I want to perform a tap operation. See here, go on a browser and on the mobile device and see, check it out, the select. The complete text got selected. Right now, I can directly use app dot keys directly. I can delete that particular operation from my keyboard. Whichever the content is selected, just delete it. That's it. It got deleted. So here I need to use these two commands basically. So here the first one is the menu item you need to select all. And after doing a select all operation, you just need to use this particular delete key. And after that, before terminating the browser, wait for 3 seconds. Sorry, before terminating the app, wait for 3 seconds. That's it. Kill this particular execution and delete this particular breakpoint, and let me run this particular code and see. See here, nothing we have done. We just performed a press operation of a 1.2 seconds out over there, and we selected all, and then we performed a delete all operation. That's it. Let us see that. See, the select all got selected and the delete got performed. That's it. This is the way how exactly we can use a delete. So out of the two ways, basically, either I can delete everything or I can delete a specified text character by character from the given string. Okay. Perfect. Done the deal. Thank you. So guys, one small update from my end is these are the topics which someone has requested. Hence, we are updating the content with those topics. And while working on your project, if you find any difficulties in getting some, some topics, kindly let me know those topics so that I will try to, create videos on those topics. Okay. You can drop me an email, surendra.jagannathan@gmail.com. I can help you out from there. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.